Setting up a Payoneer account from scratch is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, we are going to see the process of setting up a Payoneer account. Here, log in to the Envato Market account. Next, hover over your username. This you can see in the upper right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select Payout. So, if you already have a payout method set up, you just need to click on Change Account. Next, choose Payoneer as the payment method. Now, tap on Click here to register. By doing so, you will be taken to the Payoneer sign-up page. So, let's see what is needed to complete the registration process. You need to provide your full name, date of birth, email address, full residential address, phone number, and bank account details. Finally, this is the way you can set up a Payoneer account from scratch. Payoneer is a financial service that provides prepaid MasterCard debit cards as well as international money transfer and digital payment services.